Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana. We're going to do a full update. In general, I would say the situation for Solana hasn't changed that much. I would even go as far as saying, but we can obviously check that out, that Solana against Bitcoin, and that's also what you can see right here. Solana against Bitcoin has been relatively weak, all right? The 24th, so yesterday after the whole ETF approval, Solana got a bearish breakout against Bitcoin. So right now we're looking at Solana against Bitcoin to check for some relative strength. But we got a bearish breakout, and so far we've also respected that. And that's not great because obviously what we want to see is a bullish Solana against Bitcoin, because then regardless of what Bitcoin does, Solana can rally. But that's also what you can see in the technicals. I mean, yesterday I was already a little bit short term, at least, a little bit more bearish on Solana, because what we did, and yesterday that also we got some bearish confirmation from that. But what we did is we broke down below 175. So that was a bearish breakout, a bearish confirmation. And then we also broke down below 170. And I think 170 is the most important level. And so far, even though we got some bullish momentum from Bitcoin, we've not been able to reclaim that level. So I have to tell you that short term, I think we're still bearish. Now, do I think we'll stay bearish? No. All right, I think that in general, the markets right now are bullish, and I do think that we can at least get one more bullish move up. And I do think Solana can perform well, but it's just that if you purely objectively look at the technical situation right now, we are short-term bearish, and I'm not sure if there's anything pointing towards something else, all right, or pointing towards the opposite, which would be a bullish breakout. We got some momentum. But you can see spot has been selling off since yesterday afternoon. And also if you look at the CVD, it's positive when we gained that momentum earlier this morning, but it's also not very convincing. So what I would like to see for Solana is a breakout above 170. And if we do that, I will probably buy, all right? Because, and the chart is a little bit messy because there's a lot of different levels here. But 170 is very strong, all right? You got the 50 EMA there. You got this thick orange line, which is a very strong Fibonacci from the past. And you have the 382 Fib here from this move up. So, oh, excuse me. No, yeah, it's still there. So that's a very strong level. Do I think we can break above that? Yes, because I think overall Bitcoin right now is still bullish. So I would be on the lookout for that. And like I said, if we do break above that, so if we do something like this, I will probably buy the retest up to 177, 178, and hopefully up to 187 again after. So this is a scenario that's possible, and this is a scenario I would trade. It's just that you should know it could happen, all right? So you should have a price alert at 171, so you'll be alerted that when we actually break out, that you know it's happening. But it seems most likely right now that it's not happening, all right? Because nothing is pointing towards that bullish breakout. We gained some momentum, but we're also losing that in the last couple of hours. Spot has been selling off. And we got two bearish confirmations earlier in the last 2 days. So I would say technically it's still most likely to drop back down to 160. I would not short Solana. The only trade idea I have right now is some sort of like I said, some sort of a reclaim like this. But in general, bearish momentum is what I think you should prepare for and be ready for that bullish breakout if Bitcoin also gets more bullish. But that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. TVL for Solana is also still up. But yeah, have a great weekend. Take care and bye.